Hello guys, welcome back to Tech with Sabir. Today I am going to teach you how to install Tailwind in your application, React application. How to install Tailwind in your React application using Vite. So let's start. First of all, I have created here one folder. You can see in the name of Tailwind, and see it's a empty folder. It's an empty folder. There is nothing. So first of all, we have to open this with our terminal. So now to create the React app using Vite, we have to write npm create Vite @latest. Latest means the latest version of the Vite. So let's press enter. So it will take some time. Yeah, now it is asking for your project name. So let's give any name, like let's give app, app. And here are the options through which framework. Select your framework. So we are going to create via React. So enter here React, and you can choose here JavaScript or TypeScript or anything else in which you want to write your code. So I am choosing here JavaScript. So now we have to go inside the folder which folder we have created. Like we have created here app, so we have to write here cd app to open that folder. Yeah, you can see here our app folder is opened, and now we have to install the dependency. You can see here all the steps are already written here. First you have to do cd app, then npm I to npm install to install all the dependency in this app. So you can write in short form npm I instead of npm install, npm I. So it will take some time to install all the dependency. So let's see. So now you can see that I have installed all the dependency. Here you can see that 278 packaged in 42 seconds it has been installed. So now we should open this in our VS Code. So right here code dot and press enter. So it will open your VS Code. So now our VS Code has been opened, and see here in src first of all let me run this code. So open our terminal by clicking Ctrl and backtick. So by clicking Ctrl and backtick, our terminal is open, and to run this project I have to type npm run dev. It will run our project on local server. So you can see here is the link to open our server. Yeah, now you can see that our React app is working right now. You can see here its count is increasing. So we don't have to do with this count. We have to open our VS Code. So first of all we have to delete all this in app folder. In app folder, in index.css and in app.css, we have to delete all the written codes. And now we are going to install Tailwind here. So open our browser. So search here Tailwind. You can see Tailwind CSS. Yeah, open the first link. Now go on docs. You can see here framework guide. Click on the framework guide, and here you can see there is Vite, because we have created this app using Vite at the latest. So if you are creating via Vite, then you can use Tailwind from here. Or here is lots of other also, like here Next.js, Laravel, and Angular, and many things are there. So now we have created our app via Vite. So we will click here. So to install Tailwind, here you can see that install Tailwind CSS. So we have to copy these two lines into our code. So here is our terminal. Let's open one new terminal here. Yeah, we can paste here. Press enter. Now it will start installing Tailwind. So let's go back to our browser, and here we have to copy these three lines. You can see here in the top written that index.css. So you have to paste these three lines in our index.css. So where is our index.css? Here. So open it and paste here all the code. So now again we will go back and we'll copy this content, and we have to paste here tailwind.config.js. So first we will copy this content, and now we will open our folder. So you can see here there is tailwind.config.js, and we have to remove this content and copy and paste that content which we have copied from the browser. So now our Tailwind has been successfully installed. Let's check. So now our file is, now there is nothing. You can check in, there is nothing showing. So let's apply our Tailwind. First we have to create one h1. Let's create h1 and right here Tailwind is installed. So check there, Tailwind is installed. Now it's printing Tailwind is installed. Let's change its background color or the text color to check our Tailwind is working or not. So on the main div, let's give the class name, and here we will give height screen, width will be full. Screen means it will take our screen size up to our screen size. And let's bg color, let's give the background color gray 700. So now let's check it is working or not. Let's refresh it. Yeah, now it's working, and you can see that our text is not visible. Here is our text. So let's make our text size, will increase our text size and change its color. So class name, text will be, let's give 4XL, and color will be, sorry, text will be white color. So text white, and let's make it bold. So font bold. So now check it. Yeah, you can see that now our text is visible, and now our Tailwind has been successful working. So let's give some padding on the main div, p10, and make it center so it will look good. Text center. So now check it. Yeah, you can see that now it's looking little bit good. So this is for today. I hope if you learned something from this video, then please do subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.